How's the weather today where you live?
Do you know how to talk about the weather in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about the weather.
Let's improve our English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson will help you learn useful English for talking about the weather.
Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing well. It's a beautiful day today.
Yes, it is. The sky is so blue.
The sun is shining brightly.
I love sunny days.
Me too. They're perfect for going outside.
Do you like hot weather?
Not too hot. I prefer warm weather.
I understand.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring
Why do you like spring?
because the weather is cool and the flowers bloom.
That sounds lovely.
What's your favorite season?
I like autumn
Really? Why?
because it's cool and comfortable.
That's a good reason.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes.
What do you do when it rains?
I usually stay home and read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I like watching movies and drinking hot tea.
That's a perfect way to spend a rainy day.
I think so too.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, every morning.
Why?
Because it helps me plan my day.
That's smart.
If it's sunny, I go for a walk.
And if it rains?
I stay indoors and study English.
That's a great habit.
What are your plans for this weekend?
I'd like to have a picnic if the weather's nice.
That sounds fun.
Would you like to join me?
Of course, I'd love to.
Great. Let's hope for sunny weather.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for talking about the weather.
Practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.